Hello everyone. I want to quickly go over question 12 from the other night's homework on page 205, talking about nth terms. So what you need to do in this question is you have these numbers right here and you have these different sequences. You need to find out which sequence, which nth term rule allows you to have all of these numbers as one of the terms. So you need to stick in 1 times 9, 2 times 9, and then you go up and you see, can we get to 20, 22, 36, and 40, 63, and 100? Can we get all of these terms in our sequences with this rule? Only one of these 4 sequences will allow you to use all 6 numbers. So you need to go through and figure it out. So we would maybe start with 14. So 14 plus 6 equals 20. Okay. 15 plus 6 equals 21. No. 16. So then you would go and see if you could get it to show a sequence like that. So that is the first part of the question. You are only going to have one sequence that you pick that contains all of these other terms. Next on B, you need to figure out which one of these terms is used in 3 of the sequences, and it can be more than one of these terms. So when you work out all your numbers, feel free to use a calculator for this question. When you work out all your sequences, how many of these numbers appear in at least 3 of the sequences? That is part B. And for part C, you need to show which sequences contain the fewest of these numbers. So which one of these numbers shows up the least in these sequence? So that is C. And which one of these shows up 3 times? That is B. So that is how you do question 12 from the homework.